Yeah, all the bad weather was heading north, so we decided to head south. Simple-sh! Even though it was going to be hot today, you have to make use of these occasions when they present themselves. My son and family was up for a few days from Melbourne, and I had a spare bike. Say no more. South Nowra, here we come. Stewie was on my T7 and I'm on the 300 Rally. I just put a new pair of shoes on the CRF, so this will be a good time to test them. I went with the textbook D606 Rear and MT21 front. First thing I noticed was how much more relaxed the bike felt at 110 km per hour. So I think a 15.2 sprocket may be in my future. I know some people would be concerned that this may make 6th gear struggle in certain circumstances. If so, then tap down on the gear lever. Duh! We hit Hellhole Firetrail after spending about 10 minutes on Braidwood Road. Luckily to Stewie's relief on the T7, the trail doesn't match its name. And in its current condition you could ride anything down it. Maybe even his work truck. Maybe not.
Stewie's getting loose.
Bottomed this out.
Yeah. No, I haven't upgraded the suspension. They're a bit weak as well, standard.
Oh,
okay. We stopped for 5 minutes near Parma Creek to rehydrate and cool off a bit. 31.9. Parma Creek, I think. Hellhole Firetrail eventually turned into Parma Firetrail. We crossed Parma Creek once again, turned left onto Blackbutt Range Road and ended up on the Princes Highway. After a short trip down the slab, we turned onto Wandean Rd for some more dirt. Oh, that's nice to get a bit of air in. The big Tenere with the big Stewie on her. Easy. Stewie's killing it on the big girl. Oh, I'm offline. Okay, so I've already mentioned how I like the gearing increase provided by the D606 Rear tyre. What about the rest? Well, in all honesty, the stock tyres weren't that bad, except for the extremely weak carcass leading to easy punches on the trail, or road for that matter. Don't ask me how I know. In my opinion, the MT21 front tyre was no better in dry, loose, gravelly conditions than the stock IRC, and next time I'll probably put a Motos dual venture on the front, which I highly rate on the T7. As for the D606 Rear, what can I say? It is the god of dual sport tyres, very controllable wheel spin when required and grip when required, both on and off road. But I must say it's still noisy on the road after about 450 k's of wear. Please comment below if you've got anything to add about tyres for this bike. Yes, the cicadas are out in force. Yeah, there's another one up further. We'll stop and have a juice box or something then. Watch out, they're big. Yep, cement trail. $30.3. That's enough of that malarkey. Let's get on with a ride. Hey, there's Stewie's burnout. We'll slide out. With plenty of father and son bonding under our belts, that didn't sound right, and an hour and a half ride in 35-degree heat to get home, and we're both feeling pretty knackered, another bad choice of words, we decide to head back to Nowra and grab a refreshing cool drink on the way home. Thanks for watching, and since you made it this far, you might as well hit the subscribe button so the algorithm will show you more of my upcoming videos. Cheers!
River's looking nice.